When collapsing the Gobur, work from the back to the front. Lift the shelf wall clock and the two wall cupboards off their runners. After unplugging the light lead, you'll see that it will fold and fit into a recess on the back of the two wall cupboards. Then place all three units on the floor at the end of the Gobur. Flick the two corner latches into unlocked position. Now remove the seat cushions in order that you can lift the crockery and cutlery units and store them underneath each of the two seats. When positioning the cushions, make sure the scatter cushions are placed on the offside seat. Now take the larger of the tables and slot between the two seats at the back of the Gobur. You can now arrange the cushions in order to support the Gobur side walls when collapsed. Don't forget to unlock the two middle latches. You can now slot the medium-sized table between the two seats. Stowing the bathroom units. Swivel the toilet around by 90 degrees. Then lift the vanity unit off its runner and slide along the floor between the two seats. Now lift the sink unit and remove the support, carefully sliding the sink unit back down the wall into the well. Place the support on the floor next to the vanity unit. At this point, remove the small table and place on the seat. Unscrew the knob at the top of the toilet wall. And then pull the door open and loosen the bolts on the inside of the toilet cubicle. Push the door in slightly and rescrew the knob at the top of the wall. We always place some floor protection underneath the kitchen unit and also behind the kitchen unit. There's also a small wooden block that goes underneath the side of the kitchen unit to help support it. This job is always easier if there are two of you, but as you can see, I'm busy filming today. Undo the bolt on the inside of the toilet cubicle and then collapse the wall. Undo the two corner latches inside the toilet cubicle and the kitchen area. To collapse the wardrobe, first undo the bolt at the top of the wardrobe, position the floor protection, and then attach the wooden protector block at the top of the wardrobe. There you go. Pull and rotate the wardrobe down onto the floor. Oh, make sure the aqua roll is close by. You'll stow this in just a minute. Pull the rotating block on the right of the toilet wall down and out of its runner. Now, with the wall and door folded inwards, swivel the door down and collapse onto the seat cushions. Lift the door and place the aqua roll in the toilet well. Now you can undo the final latch on the same wall and slowly collapse the wall into the Gobur, resting it on the cushions. On the outside, place the two window protectors on the back window and the toilet window between the rubber stops. There you go. Okay, this next bit is important. Remember to separate the stable door before collapsing the side wall. Undo the remaining latch. Step outside the Gobur and slowly lower the wall. Close the lower half of the stable door and then the upper half. Now, facing the back of the Gobur, place the protection over the window, undo the screw catch and push the back wall down and pull the roof towards you. Before collapsing the roof completely, make sure the rubber seal is not trapped under the roof. Once the roof has been collapsed at the back, partially attach the two catches. Then, at the front of the Gobur, push the wall partially down and pull the roof towards you. Again, make sure the rubber seal is not trapped. That's on both sides. Partially attach the two catches. Release the remaining rubber seal. If you find this tricky, run the handle of a wooden spoon behind the seal to release. Finally, close and lock all four catches. There you go, you're now ready to roll.